Welcome to Excel Mastery, your gateway to applied learnings.
Today we will learn how to make dynamic Gantt chart in Excel. This is the base data which I have created with my end start date and end date, number of days required to complete a task and current status of the task. To make Gantt chart, what we have to do, we have to select the fields on which we have to make Gantt chart. So I am selecting it. Then we have to go to conditional formatting and create rule. We will be using a formula to determine which cell to format. So I am putting formula here equal to my this date is greater than equal to my start date. Then again my this date is less than equal to my end date. Since I have to freeze the movement of formula, I will be deleting dollar sign from the respective cells so that my formula moves properly in the sheet. Here I have forgot to put and, so I am putting and condition here. This is my complete formula. Now I will go to format. I will select light green color to make Gantt chart. You can see our Gantt chart is ready now. If we change any of the date here, it will move accordingly. Now we have to make dynamic tracking mechanism in the Gantt chart to see the progress of project. I have mentioned the progress of project in terms of percentage here. If you want to learn how to make this progressive chart, I have already created a short video for which I will put a I button here. You can follow that video how to make this. Coming back to the topic, I will create another conditional formatting here by selecting the Gantt chart field. Then I will go to home, conditional formatting, new rule, and again use a formula to determine cells which to format. I'm putting my formula equal to and my this cell is greater than equal to my start date. Then my this date is less than equal to. Now here I will make one change. I will calculate it from the start date. So I am selecting start date plus bracket open number of days required for the task into current progress percentage minus 1, and I will close the bracket. So this is my complete formula to generate dynamic tracking progress mechanism. Now I will format cell. I will use dark green for cell to display the progress. Okay, okay. Now we can see that our complete Gantt chart area is filled with dark green color. It is because I have made an error while placing the formula. So I am correcting it in conditional formatting. What I am doing, I am going to home, conditional formatting, manage rules. I have to select the rule, edit. Here I have not selected how my formula work has to move. So I need to delete dollar sign here. So I am deleting it first. apply. You can see now it is showing perfectly. If I change any of the data here, it will automatically move. I will put formula in description box also, so you can copy and paste it to use it. Thanks for watching it.